I was like, no, I know you're missing a sub S. You're missing an S.
What's up, guys? So today I am gonna go over everything because I haven't exactly decided on if I'm gonna drop the video I made previous to this one, and it was kind of going over what exactly I'm doing and what I plan to do with this YouTube channel. And basically just a summary of it is I'm looking to see how fast I can grow this channel, and you know, just by how serious I take it. So lighting, audio, the nice camera, the different lenses, I'm really trying to keep everything looking as professional as possible. And I figured the last step to that, even though once again I apologize if the audio is not the best for this video, it's my first time using this little guy right here, which I'll do an unboxing and a review on that if you would like. But yeah, I mean, so for this video I'm looking to set up this room, mainly this corner of the room, as, you know, a YouTube set. And it's crazy to hear myself saying that, but I'm actually really excited about this. I've gotten a bunch of different items and decor pieces there, and I'll definitely go over everything, and I'll make a list on pricing unless I already had it, because there are a few things that I pulled from my house. But you know, I'll try and remember the price on those things and where I got it. But for the new things I bought, I'll definitely include the price, and I'll go down the list of everything, just so if you see anything you like, you know, you can cop it. So for this, I'm starting from the ground up. This is the back decor table. Pretty excited about that because basically it's going to decide where I put the shelving, the art, the height, everything. I got to check the different lenses to see if it's even going to be in shot, because I'd be pretty pissed off because this is not going to be my normal recording lens most likely. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this started, and then I will catch back up with you in a few. All right, there she is. It didn't take me 2 hours. So this looks good, but I'm going to make everyone cringe for all the perfectionists. Slide it all the way to that corner. And how do we fix that? Boom, little plan action. Okay, bring some life into this video. For this backsplash, I was looking at this. I found this at Lowe's or Home Depot, one or the other. I'm pretty sure they both have it, and it was about $15 a sheet, so not cheap. And the reason why I'm pushing it to the side is because I'm looking to do kind of like a bar area right here. But for the main reason is because these are 24 inches and this is 48, so two will fit perfectly. This is gonna go just like this. Very nice now that I'm seeing it finally. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that started. I do not feel like gluing it on there. I think that's just gonna make a huge mess, and it's not gonna be easy to move this around if I ever do wanna move it around. So I'm just gonna kind of tacky nail it in there. It's not gonna look the best, but it should look pretty good. So let's see how that turns out. But as of now, this is the setup. I think it's actually came out pretty well with those nails. It almost looks like they're supposed to be there. Get a little rustic look. I overlaid them in the middle so it didn't have a double panel. But other than that, I think it's time to do a reveal of all the things we got. My girlfriend's clapping in the background. She's excited. All right, well, let's go. Hey guys, hope you're enjoying the video. Just a quick reminder, if you could drop a like on this video, it's very much appreciated, and you have no idea how much it helps the YouTube algorithm. Okay, starting off big. Boom. I have to use it somewhere. I might pull it off to like right there. So maybe I can squeeze something else in between there. Next is gonna be the bar top. Come on now. I'm thinking, okay, that's off the, okay. Right there. I like it a little crooked. There we go. Just like that. Fill these bottles here soon. How's that look, babe? Okay. Now, I'm not trying to clash colors. I'm not sure how it's gonna work. So for now, Gallo does not trust my Arnold Schwarzenegger shelf. It's super strong. It's like my legs. These bad boys. I don't think you can see them. You don't want to. I'll scare you. All right. So I don't like messing with measurements on getting everything even for this dimension right here, because we're trying to put this right here. Let's see, I'll get there, like right there, and it has to be in the middle of this shelf, but also the middle of this needs to be in the middle of this. So it is, get 2 extra long nails, put them in the back where it holds it, like so. Find where you need it to go and run it into the wall and it'll mark it. Just like that. Make your marks, look at it, and boom. There you go. We're keeping the plant vibe going. I'm thinking we're looking pretty solid. I really do think we look pretty good. Well guys, you can't see it, but it is 1:41 right now. But look at all this. Honestly, I love how it came out once it was staged and everything, and wish I had a little bit more energy for you guys. I am gonna have to clock out here pretty soon, but just to go over everything, basically that light could be lighting up right now. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And you can follow me on Instagram too, mbrian1122. But anyways, guys, comment below and let me know what you think. And if you haven't already liked this video, I'd love to be putting that good algorithm to where I actually get some views, grow this account. I haven't even dropped anything on Instagram, YouTube, nothing. So it would mean a lot if the channel was getting some growth and some views. So it's time to clock out, guys. I appreciate it. Thank you. Dyslexic, guys. Subscribe.